What if I told you that happiness isn't something you find, it's something you create? We all chase happiness, but do we truly understand what it means? Stick around, because today, we're going to explore what happiness really is, why it matters, and how you can cultivate it in your life. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We are diving into a topic that affects every single one of us. Happiness. We all want to be happy, but sometimes it feels just out of reach. Is happiness just a fleeting emotion, or can we make it a permanent part of our lives? Let's break it down together. Let's start with the big question. What is happiness? Psychologists define happiness as a combination of life satisfaction and positive emotions. But here's the interesting part. Happiness is subjective. What brings joy to one person might not have the same effect on another. Let's put this into perspective. Think about the last time you felt truly happy. Was it because of an achievement, a moment with loved ones, a simple cup of coffee on a rainy day? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what makes you happy. Now let's talk about science. Research shows that happiness isn't just about genetics or circumstances. In fact, studies suggest that about 40% of our happiness is within our control, meaning our habits, mindset, and choices play a huge role. So, what can we do to boost our happiness levels? First, let's talk about gratitude. Studies have shown that people who practice gratitude regularly feel more positive and satisfied with life. Take a moment right now. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Write it down or share it with us in the comments. Next, social connections. Humans are wired for connection, and strong relationships are one of the biggest predictors of happiness. Spending time with friends and family, even a quick chat with someone you trust can do wonders for your mood. Who's that one person you love talking to when you need a boost? Then, there's mindfulness. Being present in the moment, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, can significantly improve happiness. Have you ever tried mindfulness or meditation? Let me know your experience. Lastly, let's talk about purpose. People who have a sense of meaning in their lives tend to be happier. It could be your work, a hobby, helping others, or anything that gives you a sense of fulfillment. What's something that brings meaning to your life? So what's the takeaway? Happiness isn't something we stumble upon. It's something we cultivate by practicing gratitude, nurturing relationships, staying present, and finding purpose. We can all create more joy in our lives. Now I want to hear from you. What are your views on happiness? Do you think it's a choice, or do external factors play a bigger role? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay positive.